If you want to remove a SIM card from OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then first of all we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, and here we have the SIM tray where we have our SIM card or SIM cards. On this side over here we have SIM eject hole. You want to use that hole and you want to avoid using this hole in here that is between the SIM tray and the USB-C port, because this is the microphone. And we're gonna use the eject tool, so you don't want to put the eject tool into the microphone by accident because you will damage the microphone. So you're gonna put it into this hole over here. There we go. And then once you have your eject tool inside that hole, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of pressure. There we go. Once the SIM tray slightly pops out, we're gonna just remove it from the phone with your fingernails or fingers. And now you can remove your SIM cards. Now, in case you have two SIM cards inserted into the SIM tray, then in that case it is a little bit more tricky. But what you can do is you can just use a bit of pressure in order to try to bend the SIM tray so that most likely one of the SIM cards will pop out. And there we go. In my case, it actually did. It slightly slided out, so I can just remove it from the SIM tray. However, of course, you don't want to break the SIM tray by accident. Now, if you have just one SIM, then as you can see on the reverse side, we have these holes, so you can help yourself with the eject tool again, and you can just poke it from the other side so it pops out quite easily, just like that. Now, keep in mind that we need to make sure that we put it face up, so search for the SIM card slot number 1. It also says face up, face to screen. So we're gonna slide it exactly that way and just push it all the way down into the phone with your finger and make sure that the SIM tray is all the way in and it doesn't stick out. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.